Brother, many drivers think removing a car battery is simple. Just loosen the clamps and pull it out. But one small mistake during battery removal can damage your car electronics instantly. Modern cars rely on sensitive control units. Popular automotive studies show voltage spikes can fry modules in seconds. The solution starts with understanding the correct order and preparation. Always slow down and treat the battery like a live system. Stay with me because the first mistake most people make happens before they even touch the battery. Segment 2. Here is the big problem, buddy. People rush. According to car manufacturers, sudden power loss can confuse onboard computers. This can trigger error codes or lock systems. The solution is simple preparation. Turn off the engine, remove the key, and wait a few minutes. This allows systems to fully shut down. Practical tip: open the hood and let the car rest for at least 5 minutes. Next, we talk about the mistake that causes sparks and scares even experienced drivers. Segment 3. The fatal mistake is disconnecting the positive terminal first. Science explains why. The car body is grounded. If your tool touches metal while removing positive first, you create a short circuit. This can melt tools or damage wiring. The correct solution is always removing the negative terminal first. Practical tip: remember, negative first, positive last. Brother, learning the basics saves money and stress. Up next, why even one spark can cause long-term issues. Segment 4. One spark might look harmless, but electrical engineers warn that microsurges damage control units over time. These systems are not built for sudden voltage chaos. The solution is clean, slow movements with insulated tools. Never rush the clamp. Practical tip: use gloves and rubber-handled tools. Buddy, smart habits protect expensive parts. Next, let's talk about modern cars and memory loss. Segment 5. Modern cars store settings in memory. Radio codes, window calibration, steering sensors. When power is cut wrong, these systems forget. The solution is using a memory saver or backup power device. Practical tip: plug a small backup battery into the diagnostic port if available. This keeps data alive. Coming next, what happens if you skip this step completely? Segment 6. Without backup power, your car may start with warning lights everywhere. Studies from automotive electronics labs show recalibration can take hours. The solution is preparation. Know your car type. Older cars are forgiving, newer cars are sensitive. Practical tip: check your manual before battery removal. Brother, knowledge always beats repair bills. Next, let's talk about battery placement mistakes. Segment 7. Some drivers lift the battery at an angle. Batteries contain liquid and gas. Tilting can cause leaks or internal damage. Chemical research confirms internal plates hate sudden movement. The solution is lifting straight up and keeping the battery level. Practical tip: use both hands and keep it upright. Buddy, calm movements extend battery life. Up next, what to do with the cables. Segment 8. Loose cables touching metal parts can cause accidental grounding. This drains residual power and creates sparks. The solution is securing cables away from the battery tray. Practical tip: wrap terminals with a cloth or rubber cover. Brother, small habits prevent big mistakes. Next, we talk about corrosion dangers. Segment 9. Corrosion is more than dirt. It increases resistance and heat. Electrical studies show resistance leads to voltage drop and system stress. The solution is cleaning terminals before reinstalling. Practical tip: use baking soda and water, then dry completely. Buddy, clean connections means stable power. Coming next, a mindset lesson for drivers. Segment 10. Here is a quick reminder, brother. Cars last longer when owners slow down and respect systems. Rushing leads to mistakes. The same applies in life. Care and patience build reliability. Now let's move into reinstalling the battery the correct way. Segment 11. When reinstalling, many people repeat the same mistake in reverse. Science says reconnection order matters too. The solution is positive terminal first, negative last. This reduces short circuit risk. Practical tip: tighten snug, not overly tight. Next, we talk about over-tightening damage. Segment 12. Over-tightening cracks terminals and damages battery posts. Engineers warn this causes hidden fractures. The solution is firm but gentle tightening. Practical tip: stop when the clamp no longer moves by hand. Brother, strength is not control. Control is control. Next, we cover system checks. Segment 13. After installation, many drivers just start the car. That is risky. The solution is checking voltage and dashboard warnings first. Practical tip: turn ignition on without starting and watch for alerts. Buddy, listening before acting saves systems. Up next, sensor recalibration. Segment 14. Some cars need window and steering recalibration. Manufacturers confirm this prevents false error codes. The solution is following reset steps in the manual. Practical tip: slowly raise windows fully once after reconnecting. Brother, finishing steps matters. Next, battery disposal mistakes. Segment 15. Old batteries are hazardous waste. Throwing them anywhere harms the environment. Chemical safety sources warn about acid leaks. The solution is recycling at authorized centers. Practical tip: most shops accept old batteries for free. Buddy, responsible actions protect everyone. Up next, long-term battery health. Segment 16. Frequent improper removal shortens battery life. Stress damages internal plates. The solution is minimizing unnecessary removal. Practical tip: only disconnect when truly needed. Brother, less interference means longer life. Next, a common myth. Segment 17. Many think disconnecting the battery resets all problems. That is false. Electronics store fault data. The solution is proper diagnostics, not blind resets. Practical tip: use a scanner instead of battery tricks. Buddy, smart fixes beat temporary hacks. Up next, warning signs. Segment 18. If your car struggles after battery work, do not ignore it. Experts say early symptoms grow into expensive repairs. The solution is immediate inspection. Practical tip: check grounds and terminals again. Brother, quick action saves money. Now, let's wrap this up. Segment 19. So remember this, buddy. The fatal mistake is rushing and removing terminals in the wrong order. Preparation, correct sequence, and calm handling protect your car. These habits keep electronics healthy for years. Life rewards patience, and so do cars. One final step before we end. Segment 20. If this helped you, like, share, and comment your experience with car batteries. Your story helps other drivers avoid costly mistakes. Disclaimer: consult a professional technician if your vehicle has special conditions.